up, dog? What up, dog? Got the new Wayfarers polarized. I done had, this is my third pair of Metas. I done had the regular Wayfarers unpolarized. I done had the transitions. So out of all three of them, I think I'm gonna like this one due to the fact I be outside a lot. Due to the fact I do outside a lot, I traded in the regular Wayfarers for the transitions because I be going in and out all the time of buildings. Sometimes. So I just got tired of taking them off and couldn't see in the building. But the thing is with the transitions is when you drive, if you're in a vehicle or a truck, if it's a little shade in the truck, it really doesn't provide any type of shaded solutions. So I just went ahead and went back with the polarized this time. I had the warranty plan, so man, let's see what they're looking like. Doing a nice recording with the other ones. Like that. So this is my third pair of Ray-Ban Metas. Ray-Ban Metas. That box, let me see this one. Ooh. Then I got let's see what I come with. It should come with a charger or something else. I know I used to. With this here. Get started. Oh, this is just like the one. I already know you. I done had about 3 pairs of these straps. They used to come with like a little cleaning cloth. I got about 3 of these. I should have kept all of them. Even when I took them back. Got the little cleaning cloth. Look at that, look at that. Oh man. You only live once, man. Enjoy yourself. Let's see what they is, what it's info. And they charged up. What? And they charged up. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'ma like these. Oh, yes, indeed. I didn't put warranty on these, I don't think. They're a little thicker, too. They look kind of the same as the transitions, but the transitions, though, when it was clear, I looked like a little nerd. Let's see, man. So these is like the gray polarized, and as y'all can see, it's real bright. So with the polarized, how you tell if they polarized, it'll have Ray-Bans right here in gray, and then it'll have the P right there for polarized. And then right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it got the smaller in gray Ray-Bans. It's in gray in the shades. Let me see. Oh man, these help out a lot. Oh my God. Kind of look different on the cell phones, I heard. Y'all already know how to activate them, hey Meta and all that stuff, but I heard too they starting to let you like do live translations and stuff, like it can listen to a combo and translate it to you. So anywho, man, these are new polarized shades by Ray-Ban Meta. Way harder, a little darker, you know what I'm saying? So that's it, man. Y'all be safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.